if we'll be coming back to Australia, but it was fun all these years that we played here. A lot of good memories, bad memories, but all in all, I'll take the cricket that I played here.
But you two old dogs still have a sting in the tail.
Looks like it, yes. We enjoy our cricket. Most importantly, no matter what accolades we've achieved, but it's important that whenever you get an opportunity to play, you got to come and start fresh, and that's what we did when we arrived in Perth. Forget what has happened in the last 15-17 years, wanted to start fresh, and that's how I personally look at all the games that I played. I'm sure it will be the same for Virat as well, but enjoyed playing these 3 games.
Yeah. There are 2 ducks out of the pond. The ducks is finally out.
Good to be out of the pond, honestly. Well, I lost. You've scored so many runs in international cricket, but then the game shows you everything, even at this stage. Almost, 37 in not many days, and still can feel like don't know how to get a run. I mean, this game is amazing. That's why we love batting, we love batsmanship, and it's so challenging when it's not going your way, and just to find your rhythm again. Of course, going out there, having a situation to play in always is something that always brings out the best in me, and when Rohit's already batting there, it's pretty easy to kind of keep rotating strike. We understand each other's game pretty well, so again, really good to have a big partnership and another match finishing partnership for us.
168 run partnership, clearly it was a masterclass in technique and temperament, so valuable for your younger players to be observing that at close range, but you like batting together. Nearly 5,500 runs in partnership for India. It's a huge gap to fill, Rav, if and when still got much more cricket to play, obviously, but what is the chemistry? What is it you like about each other?
Well, I think from very early on, it was pretty clear that we both understood the game pretty well. That's the only reason you can play for so long, when you have an understanding of the situation, your own game, and how to apply it in different situations. That's something that we've always taken a lot of pride in, and when we back together, of course, we understand we're probably the most experienced players now, but even back in the day, we used to think if we have a big partnership, the kind of strokes we can play, we can really take the game away from the opposition. And it was just about communication, staying in the game. I think it all started from that 2013 series against Australia at home, when we really started getting those big partnerships together and really taking the game on. From then on, it was pretty clear the opposition also knew if these guys are in for 20 overs together, any total is chaseable, and the game's never done in the opposition's favor. So I've really enjoyed batting with Rohit, and good to know we've scored a few together.
Well done, Virat. Well done, Rohit. We let you go and enjoy it with the team, because this crowd that's turned up here today, we've got a real spectacle to see. Well done. Fabulous players from us.
I think for the Australian crowds and audiences, we thank you. It's been a real pleasure to have you on our shores, and we wish you all the best in the pursuit of the 2027 World Cup.
Yeah, no, we want to say thank you as well. I mean, we've loved coming to this country and playing in front of such big crowds, and we've played some of our best cricket here as well. So thank you very much for welcoming us so well. And you guys are brilliant. We've never felt short of support here.
Thank you, Australia. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. There you go.